Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got these beautiful beachy crimps. This style is super cute, super easy, and super convenient when you want to switch up your look but not actually change your hairstyle. If you're interested in how I got this look, keep watching. So I'm going to start off by taking some hairspray, and I'm just going to spray this up and down the whole hair piece that I'm going to be using. I'm going to take a brush, comb it out, and then I'm just going to begin the crimping process. So I like to hold the crimps on my hair for about 7 to 10 seconds, and then I move on to the next section, pulling the bottom of the hair up, just being sure to crimp that bottom part as well as the top. Right here you can see I skipped a piece. I kind of messed up, but it's okay because I'm going to be going back and fixing that a little bit later. Yeah, so I'm just going to keep going completely down the hair and pulling that piece of hair up just to ensure that the pattern stays intact. This crimp iron gets so freaking hot. This is the best crimp iron for this style. It makes it super easy and it just gets super hot. I look so focused because I was watching something on my phone, but this part is super important. You want to make sure that you pay close attention to the ends. I see a lot of people neglecting the ends, but that's when your hair starts looking straggly, or you don't want it to be crimped at the top and then just straight at the bottom. So now that I've completed this whole left side, I'm going to work on the right side. So pretty much, you guys, this is just a repeat process. You're just going to repeat all the steps that I've already mentioned to you guys throughout your whole head, and then you'll come to your end result and it'll be beautiful. I'm going to speed through this part so you guys won't have to sit through it, but it's basically just repeat. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my hair, completely crimped. I definitely felt like I could have did a better job. They could be a lot more uniforms, but I was rushing. But I kind of like the messy crimp look anyway. Still, nonetheless, love the outcome of it. I think it's so pretty. I'm so obsessed with this style. It's definitely still crimp season, and I was supposed to film this video for you guys. So here I am. These are the crimps, and let me show you the crimper I use. I picked it up from Sally's Beauty Supply store, and I think it's like $60 or $70, but I've noticed that I've seen so many people using this. I've had this for a while now, and I just feel like this is the perfect crimper. It has a little bit of makeup on it, so this makes it so much easier, and this thing gets so hot. It's by the brand Ion, I believe, and I actually want to like look up Ion and see if they have flat irons, because I need a new flat iron, and with the way that this gets hot, I would definitely invest in a flat iron. I love this look. It's like one of my favorite looks. I feel like you can manipulate straight hair or even wavy hair and really just give you this pretty crimp look, and it really changes your hairstyle. Yeah, so I'm really in love with these crimps. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.